Hi, boys and girls. Today in math, we are going to continue working with equal groups number stories and also arrays. Let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing that I would like for you to do is open up your math journal and turn to page 212. 212. Go ahead and pause the video. Take time to turn to page 212 in your math journal. All right, looks like you are there. What I would like you to do is look at number 1 with me. Number 1 says, write a number story to match the number model. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Draw a picture of your story. You can draw your picture here. So go ahead and pause the video. Create your very own number story for number 1 using those numbers, and then share your stories with your class. Go ahead and pause the video now so you can have time to work on it. Hopefully you have had time to share your number story with your classmates and your teacher. This is a number story that I came up with. So this is my example. It says, Amy has 3 bags of apples. There are 4 apples in each bag. How many apples does Amy have in all? My picture would look something like this. I would have 3 bags, and I would have 4 apples in each bag. So I could draw a picture like this, or I can draw what we call an array. Let's take a look at the array now. Here it is. So I know that Amy has 3 bags of apples. So I'm representing that by showing 3 rows. Each row is one of the bags. I know that there are 4 apples in each bag, so there are 4 apples in each row. So this is my array. Let's take a look at one more story that I came up with. This is my last example of the type of problem we could write for number 1 on page 212. This one says, Tom set up 3 rows of chairs. There are 4 chairs in each row. How many chairs in all? So if I were to draw this, I would draw 3 rows with 4 chairs in each row, just like my apples story I just told. Okay, so as soon as I have that drawn, I can see that the number model is the same as problem number 1. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Another way to write that is by saying rows first times how many chairs are in each row. So I know that I have 3 rows times 4 chairs in each row, and that equals 12 chairs in all. So I can show my number model in either an adding way or a multiplication way. Boys and girls, you did a great job working on your equal groups number stories. Now, for the rest of math, we're going to be playing a little equal groups and arrays game with a partner sitting close by. Each of you will have a die, and partner A, or the first partner, will be rolling a die and making equal groups. Partner B, or the second partner, will be rolling their own die and making an array using those numbers. Let me show you what I mean. Partner A is going to roll the die. I have a 3. This is the number of groups, rows, or columns. Partner B rolls the die. That's a 1. And this is the number in each group, row, or column. So, for example, if partner A rolls a 2 and partner B rolls a 3, partner A is going to make 2 groups of 3. Here are 2 groups, and there are 3 dots in each group. Partner B's job would be to make an array using these numbers. So my array, or partner B's array, would look like this. 2 groups with 3 dots in each group or row. Let's take a look at one more example. Partner A rolled a 4 and partner B rolled a 5. So partner A is going to make 4 groups with 5 dots in each group. For example, here are the 4 groups with 5 dots in each group. Partner B's job would be to make an array using these same numbers. So partner B is going to draw an array with 4 rows with 5 dots in each row. You will be recording this in your math journal. You may also use a whiteboard and marker if you would like to do it on a whiteboard first before you put it in your journal. Boys and girls, thanks for listening today. I know you're going to do great, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.